All right, let's fire this thing up. Well, the weather appears to be fine. I don't see any ominous clouds anywhere, but you know what they say, they can change on you in 5 minutes time. So let me double check the forecast by turning up the weather on my handheld VHF radio.
Sunday, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Lake waters light chop. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Monday, east winds...
Well, according to the National Weather Service, there's a 30% chance of afternoon thunderstorms. And does that mean it's going to rain on us as we're taking our trip up the coast? Well, your guess is as good as the weatherman's, and you know how reliable that forecast can sometimes be. Well, good deal you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. It's great to have you back aboard the craft with us again. Hey, let me real quick introduce the boat that we're in. This is a 1992 55-foot sport fish, and it was originally built down at Pompano Beach at a company called Revenge Yachts. They're no longer in business, but this is a gorgeous custom sport fish. And let me kind of give you the layout. There are a couple of cabins aboard, or staterooms. We have a forward stateroom as well as an aft master. It also has a beautiful salon. It's simple, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And it's powered by a pair of 1,000 horsepower MAN engines. And up here, basically, we have about $30,000 worth of electronics. Now, there is an onboard personal computer that's hooked up to MapTech. That's our chart plotter. And we have a Furuno depth finder. We have a Furuno radar. The boat is really, really laid out to go out and fish. And what we want to do is we want to really be able to kind of zero in on what the weather is going to be doing as we're taking our trip. Now, traditionally, where you get your sources of weather is from local media, maybe your newspaper, or maybe if you have cable, the Weather Channel, or perhaps your local news. Or if you want to get a little bit more specific, you can tune into your VHF radio and you can listen to the weather there. But these are all generalized forecasts. But what about what's really happening here, specifically on the boat? Or more importantly, where we're going to be heading off to? And we want to know information like, what are the sea conditions, okay? What direction are the waves traveling in? What's the wind speed, okay, going on through the air? What's the temperature in the water? And if you're a serious angler or a serious pleasure boater, or if you make your living out on the water, this is critical information, and it's kind of the subject that we're going to be covering this time here at ShipShape TV. You see, we're going to be installing a special weather system aboard this craft to where we can get real-time, accurate, pinpoint forecasts for where we are and where we're going to be heading off to. We're also going to be doing an incredible factory tour up in Andover, Massachusetts, and that's just about 20 miles north of Boston. And we're going to take a look at a place that gathers weather data, where companies like the Weather Channel, for instance, kind of grabs their information so that they can make reliable, generalized forecasts. And naturally, once we get the installation done, we're going to be out on the water and we're going to show you how this all works. But guess what? Before we can get into any of this stuff, shoot, you know the drill by now. You see, we need to work out a little trade-off. We've got to get all of you to spend the next 30 minutes with us right here on the beautiful water's edge. And then in exchange, with again the help of a few of my very knowledgeable friends in the marine industry, we're all going to be pooling together in order to do our very best to let you in on a few more ways to make your boat shipshape.
ShipShape TV, America's favorite boat improvement show.